Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Emmy, sa pagtambay mo mula pa kanina hanggang ngayon na patapos na po ako. Maraming salamat. Um, Kay Ma'am Lucy Warren, mega love shout out, Ma'am Lucy Warren. Lady Amethyst, Mrs. G, maraming salamat po sa laging pagpunta at pagtambay at sa support nyo sa akin. The Friendly Fire Podcast, mega love shout out to you. Backyard Footballer, mega love shout out to you. Kib 5 Aqua, mega love shout out to you. Thank you so much guys for coming. And also Kuya Yolo, mega love shout out Kuya Yolo, our friend from Saskatchewan, Canada. Thank you so much Kuya Yolo. Mega love shout out to you. And also Young Drift, mega love shout out Young Drift. Thank you so much for coming. And Super Rad, Sir Rad, thank you so much Sir Rad sa support and for coming. Maraming salamat po. Mo Anthony, thank you so much Sir Mo Anthony for coming. And The Mysterious Advisor, another account po ni Sir Super Rad, pinasok niya rin po for support. Thank you so much. Kay Sir Tonix TV, mega love shout out to you Sir Tonix TV. Thank you so much Sir Tonix TV sa support. Alison Porter, mega love shout out Alison Porter, and to your friend Clementine. Thank you so much guys for coming, and mega love shout out to both of you. Also Pag 13, mega love shout out Pag 13. Thank you so much for coming. Ma'am BMB, mega love shout out Ma'am BMB. Thank you so much din po Ma'am BMB sa support at sa pagtambay. Thank you so much. Masakit yung ano. Hindi ako masyado. Doc Lady Bell, mega love shout out. Sorry about that guys. Thank you so much Doc Lady Bell sa support din. Maraming salamat. Sir MT Amazon Explorer, thank you so much Sir MT Amazon Explorer. Mega love shout out to you too. Thank you so much. And also T-Mac 1, thank you so much T-Mac 1. Mega love shout out to you T-Mac 1. Thank you so much. Kido Craze, mega love shout out to you Kido Craze. Thank you so much for coming. And also mega love shout out to our brother from Indonesia, Sir Yanto Gimbal. Mega love shout out to you Sir Yanto Gimbal. Thank you so much for coming Sir Yanto Gimbal. And also sa Pambansang Ilong ni Mami Cha support. Thank you so much Mami Cha sa support mo. Mega love shout out to you Mami Cha. Ingat ka palagi. And also kay Spirit Brothers, to you Spirit Brothers, mega love shout out to you. Thank you so much for coming. And also Ate Jenji sa walang sawang suporta sa tambay. Mega love shout out to you Ate Jenji. Thank you so much. Support nyo rin guys si Ate Jenji pag nag-live siya guys. Very supportive din po yan guys. Thank you so much. Sir Julabs na magaling magmasahe. Thank you so much Sir Julabs for coming. Mega love shout out to you Sir Julabs. And also who else guys? Sorry guys kung makalimutan ko kayo. Hindi ko kayo ma-mention. Ma'am Shing Bay. Thank you so much Ma'am Shing Bay for coming also Ma'am Shing Bay. Thank you so much. And also Nuts X Pillow, mega love shout out Nuts X Pillow. And also kay Sir Boss Bencel, nagpa-shout out si Sir Boss Bencel. Thank you so much. Sis Emily Mix Vlog, nakahabol po. Thank you so much Sis Emily. Mag-end na po ako kasi lumalampas na po ang oras ko. Mag-silent ako uli. Kita tayo uli. Thank you so much Sis Emily. Ingat ka palagi dyan. God bless you po always. And magpagaling ka. Sige, thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much sis. Magkita tayo ulit sa silent. Thank you.